guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I restored this Solana wig I have from Sensational Wet Legs collection, taking it from this to this. So right here I'm just showing you guys how dirty and icky this wig is. I have had this wig for about a year now. I actually have a video on this wig when I first installed it, so you guys should go check that out. But yes, this wig is tangled, it's a hot mess, and I'm just ready to see if I can restore it. So dance break, let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my gain and I'm going to put it in my spray bottle with some warm water. You don't want to put too much, and then you're going to shake it up, and then you want to spray it on the hairline to loosen up all of that dirt and old glue. So now you want to take any shampoo that you have and you want to put that on the lace, and I'm also going to go back in with that spray bottle and spray the lace as well. And then you're going to take your toothbrush and you're just going to scrub the lace, getting all of that dirt and all of that nasty stuff off of there. You want to take your time with this, and you also want to be gentle. I know it looks like I'm not being gentle, but you don't want to rip your lace. It took me about 10 minutes of scrubbing to get all of the dirt and junk off of there, so you can already see that everything is starting to look good. So now I'm going to take that spray bottle again, and I'm going to pretty much soak the entire wig. You want to make sure you coat it pretty well, and at this point the water does not have to be warm because this is a body wave wig and I don't want to lose the curl pattern. So now I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and we're going to detangle the wig, get out all the knots, and make everything look nice and smooth. After all that combing, this is the only shedding or fallout that I received, which is really good, taking it that this wig is a year old. So now that I am all done combing, I'm going to let the wig just sit overnight and dry. There's me looking a hot mess. And yeah.
The next day.
Alright guys, so it is the next day and the wig is looking really good. It looks like I just opened it right out of the box. Like, do you guys remember what the back of this wig looked like? It was a hot mess. The curls are nice and bouncy. We got a brand new wig, so let's apply it. So now I'm just going to try on the wig to see how I want to style it. I don't have to necessarily figure out if it fits my head because I've already worn it before, so I know that it fits. The first time that I wore this wig, I wore it in a side part, but now I'm thinking to change it up a bit. I'm going to wear it in a middle part, which I think would be so cute. I also failed to mention that I did cut the ends of this wig. It was longer. The ends got a little tangly, so I cut it, which is also another tip to save your synthetic wigs. So now I'm just laying the wig down right here. On this step, I didn't really do this in a tutorial manner, so it's kind of like sloppily done. Not necessarily sloppily done, but not in a tutorial manner, if that makes any sense. So if you guys want to see how I lay my wigs down, I have plenty other videos that you guys can go check out to see like step by step how I do it. This right here was just kind of like me throwing the wig on, to be honest. And I did go back and add more free spray and stuff like that to hold down the corners even more. I plan on wearing this wig for about a week, so I am trying to make sure it is laid down as much as possible. So yeah, that's all that's pretty much happening right here. Now I'm just going to take my hot comb and flatten the top of the wig and the front of the frontal to make everything look nice and flat. Now I'm going to add baby hairs. The wig already had baby hairs from when I previously wore it, but since I changed the style of the wig, I am going to add a little bit more and cut just a little bit more off. So now I'm going to be taking some mousse and I'm going to put that on the base of the wig pretty much to help flatten and lay everything down even more. And I'm also going to take my rat tail comb and comb out the base as well. And then I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb and comb out the curls, because you don't want to comb out the curls too much, if that makes sense. Well, at least not with a rat tail comb, because you want to keep the shape of your curls. And lastly, you want to put foundation powder on your part just to make everything look neat and natural. You don't want to make it too crisp. And then I am taking my free spray and putting that on my part. I always do that. I don't know why, I just think it looks good. And then I'm going to blow dry everything into place. Alright guys, and that is it. I feel like this came out so cute. It looks so good. I was so nervous at first, but I think I did the damn thing. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I think I did great. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see from me next. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!